So this video is for Autumn 2209, Bestie, and okay, I made yesterday this awesome calendar, and I thought you'd like to see it. See, horses, wild horses. It goes all the way, like, from this month until, so May 2010 until December 2011. May, June, July, August, September. My mom thought this picture was funny because it was a horse's butt, and I'm like, no, it's just a wild horse running. But yeah. And then October, November, December, January 2011, February. I think you would love this picture, Autumn 2209. March, April, May. I used to have this picture in a calendar. June, July. This is my favorite picture. August, September,